welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. Today I am bringing you a Zara haul. I do have some Zara home bits as well in this top box here. I'll leave my last Zara haul below because it wasn't too long ago and it featured this dress along with a load of other items which are now in the sale. So first I'm going to start with the Zara home bits and then I'll try on and give you sort of my first impression of the clothing. The first thing that I picked up was this wicker tray. I absolutely love it. I think it makes for a great tray to have maybe in a spare bedroom on a nicely made bed, to have sort of a candle or read diffuser, maybe a couple of books or magazines, my White Company magazines. It was $19.99. I did purchase this one and then spotted the Aldi do them as well at a much cheaper price. However, I've never seen them in store, so I'm still keeping my eyes peeled for them. If I did get the Aldi dupe and prefer it, then I would probably stick with the cheaper alternative, because why not? The next thing that I got, it actually comes in two different sizes. I'll be honest, I thought I picked up the bigger size, but it's arrived and it's clearly the smaller size. So the smaller size was $5.99 and it's this little display dish, especially the bigger one. It would be quite a nice serving platter. I don't know whether now to go back and get the larger one as well as this, or just return this because I thought it was the big one. But I'll also just show you a bit close up so you can see the colouring on this is beautiful. It's like a washed, very light beige with a darker beige trim. Really, really pretty. Okay, next up we have this display vase, display decorative piece at £12.99. I thought this was beautiful, if I can get it out. And it is this gorgeous stone kind of coloured bottle, which it kind of ties in with this kind of terracotta style vase, which I like just having on display. That was a mega bargain from TK Maxx. It was only, I think it was £4.99. It's got a beautiful design to it with the kind of aged effect. I feel like I need some shelves that I can use this sort of thing to style up, but I don't have any shelves to style up. Future house plans noted. And then the last thing to arrive from Zara Home is this home spray in Royal Garden. You can smell it from it being in the box. It smells amazing. It was $12.99, which is a little, not steep, but I suppose when you compare it to White Company prices, it is a little bit cheaper than there. I got it mostly because of the aesthetic, but also I've recently been loving my Zara Home antibacterial spray. I actually used it in my last cleaning video that I did on Wednesday. I used their antibac spray, which I think was $7.99. Love it. It smells of bergamot, like, oh my god, it's amazing. This one, Royal Garden, smells very fresh, perfect for this time of the year. Oh my god, it's so good. If you like that kind of herby kind of smell as opposed to the florals, this is really light and feminine whilst having that herby kind of earthy undertone to it. Love this so much. And it's going to go in here, which is my dedicated home fragrance and candle drawer. Okay, moving on to the main box I got from Zara. Just before I move on to clothing, I did pick up two smellies, two fragrancy products. This one being a Zara body mist. Interesting, never tried it before, but their perfumes are incredible. So this one was $7.99 and this is part of the weekend collection. It says to wear with wash blue jeans when weekend plans. Style, warm, long-lasting, comfortable. Notes, peony, vanilla and musk. And this is what the actual bottle looks like. That in itself is, to me, aesthetically pleasing. And it comes in a little spray pump, like a perfume. Ooh, that's so nice. 100 mils you get in there. But also, I did pick up a mini eau de parfum in the AMALFI SUNRAY scent, which you may recognise again from that cleaning video. I got a new Zara candle in this scent and it smells incredible. I've been burning that candle so much that I'm already like halfway through it. So I thought I would try it in the fragrance, just in the small one, because these ones are more expensive. I think these were the Jo Malone collaboration that they did. So they're full-size fragrances are about £26. The tester, or not tester, but the 10ml one is $5.99. So a bit more affordable and perfect too if you just want to sort of try it out. Oh, it's like a little rollerball. Oh yeah, that smells just like the candle. Honestly, these fragrances are so good. I know Zara are known for their fragrances at like $5.99 for 100 mils, super affordable, but the $25.99 ones are literally Jo Malone style but at a fraction of the price. And I love Jo Malone fragrances. That is so good. I think it's going to be a fave for this time of the year. I think I might even purchase the full size of that one because I do really like it. Okay, let's move on to clothing now. I have quite a lot. Let's start with this. So this is in a medium. It was reduced down to $9.99. It's this beautiful champagne gold colour, kind of a metallic finish, wrinkle effect midi skirt, which actually came with a matching top, but I didn't go for the matching top. It's got a little slit on the side. I'll try it on with this bodysuit, which I finally got my hands on. I've been wanting this bodysuit. It's the infamous bodysuit that everyone loves at $12.99. It's finally back in a white colour. I get it in a size medium. I've got the black one as well. So let's try these two on together. Okay, this is what this outfit looks like. It very much reminded me of, I posted a picture on Instagram of some wide leg Zara trousers that I have. The golds, the whites, very summer appropriate, perfect for the warmer weather, and perfect for being comfortable whilst looking a little bit more dressy. So, I mean, this would be a go-to sort of outfit on holiday for me in an evening. Super comfortable, relaxed, plenty of give on this skirt, so much room, yet still fitted around my waist. So I love that. The bodysuit's obviously a fave. I love the racer back design of these. They're just... My bangle just fell off. As I was saying, I love the sort of high neck, the scoop side and racer back design of these bodysuits. They're just a good staple to have. Let's try a dress on next. This was $29.99. I think it's fairly new in this one. I got it in a medium and it's this draped poplin style dress with the shoulders having the flexibility to either be worn up or down off shoulder. Let's just try it on. So this is what the dress looks like. I'm trying to remember how they styled the top part on the website. I can't quite remember, but I think it was worn up a little bit more like this. Is it nice or is it a bit too feminine, too girly, a bit too out there? I don't know. Kind of just sticks out a bit there. I feel like it needs to just be a little less up. Let's try another dress on now, and this is again another white summery dress, but this is a maxi dress. Can you believe it? $9.99 this one is, and the quality feels so nice. It's quite like that weighty kind of fabric. I did pick it up in a medium, this one. Okay, what do we think of this one? Oh, also I just want to mention for sizing reference, if you are new to my channel, I'm around 5'5" and typically wear a size UK 10. This one I'm torn because I think the quality is incredible. I think the price is a steal. I just don't know when I'd wear it because I feel like it's too dressy, the fabric and everything, for just an average summer's day. We can't wear it to a wedding because it's almost bridal itself. So maybe on holiday in an evening. Okay, let's go with jeans and a top now. This one, OMG. When I did my Mango haul and got the padded shoulder tops, they're $17.99 from Mango. They are slightly cheaper from Zara at $12.99, but they're just so hard to get your hands on. They always seem to be sold out. So I managed to grab this colour, which isn't typically me. It's still, I suppose, a neutral colour, but it's almost got a purpley tint to it. I did get it in a medium, and then I'll try it on with these jeans. I think these ones are in the sale. $19.99 these ones are. They're called the Premium Tapered Chia in off-white. Okay, so what do I think of this? Firstly, I have just put on a strapless bra with this top just so you can see how low the sleeves come. So they do come lower than the Mango ones. Apparently the H&M padded shoulder ones come very low as well. I mean, I don't mind it, but I do feel like you might get a bit of side boob there if you didn't have a bra on with this kind of a top. And also, when you wear a lighter coloured top in this kind of muscle fit t-shirt style, you can always see the outline of the padding, and I'm never a big fan of that. So I think I'm going to stick with the mango ones for now anyway. The ones that I've got I do prefer. And then as for these tapered Chia jeans, they're a little ill-fitting on me. The fact that they've got this tapered part here just kind of leaves you with a bit of that excess material, even if you wear them as high-waisted as I possibly can. I do love the fact that they're high-waisted, I will say that. And the actual tapered leg part I think is quite a nice alternative to a straight leg jean. The problem I always have is the waist just gapes. It's far too big here. I picked up the exact same in the dreamy blue, they're called, these ones. Oh, and I've just looked as well online. The blue ones are not in the sale. They are $29.99 as well. So yeah, I'll definitely be sending both these and the blue pair back. Okay, let's try this dress on now. This is fairly new in. It's only $15.99, which I think for a new in item is a pretty good price. I got it in a size medium, and it's this ribbed skater style dress with the cup detail. I hate this dress on me. I really dislike it. There's a couple of things wrong with it. Firstly, the fact it's thin. I'm wearing nude underwear and you can still see it. I'm just looking in the mirror over there. I feel like it's very clingy. Like, looking in the mirror, I can even see the outline of my belly button, so I don't like that. Ill-fitting on me, and I know every body shape is different, but if I like lift up my shoulders and then relax them, then I'm left with loads of excess material here. And if I relax my shoulders, then the sleeves are too big and they just drop down. So this is a no. This is going to be a send back, and I really don't like it. Oh, and another thing, it's itchy as well. It's the sort of material that is like itching my skin, so straight back this one, unfortunately. Okay, I'm going to try these two on together now. I've been really excited to try this skirt out. I got it in a medium though, and I feel like looking at it, it might be a little bit too big for me around the waist. $29.99 this one is. I think it's fairly new in, and then I got this top to go with it, which I think they styled it like this online. So this top is $12.99. I think it's the perfect kind of crepe fabric material that would be great with like nice top and a jeans and a heel for like cocktails, that kind of vibe. And I got this in a medium. This one is $12.99. We'll try this on together and see how they fit. Whoa, I didn't realize it had this huge slit at the front. Okay, so I'm just having to hold this skirt at the back because it's far too big around the waist. I did think it might be, but I even think a small would be too big around the waist for me. So I think I'm just going to straight up send this one back. I'm not really having the best of luck with this Zara haul. I love the top. I think it's a really pretty, easy throw on top that is so comfy, so lightweight. It's double lined from the front. Okay, next up, I'm going to try on a ribbed halter dress. This one was only $9.99. It's just like a midi dress in like a white ribbed fabric. I'm also going to try on with it an overshirt which I got in linen. This is beautiful. It was a bit more expensive at $49.99. This is one of those sizing that I find really frustrating with Zara, because there's only two sizes you can get it in, either extra small to small or medium to large. So I would always usually go for small to medium. So anyway, I sized up, went for the extra large. Extra large? No, medium to large. Okay, this is what this outfit looks like. I'm just kind of throw the linen shirt over the shoulder so you can see the cut of the dress there. I actually think it's a really good basic to have. They had other colours as well, and I think $9.99 is a good price point. But I just really like the style of them, especially with something oversized sort of thrown on top as an added layer. I love these kind of cuts that Zara do. You can just throw on some layered gold jewellery. This is from Ana Luisa. And yeah, I love the linen shirt. I think this is great quality. You could even style it sort of tied up like that in the middle. I think I'm really happy with it. I love the colour of it. It's a really nice stone kind of colour. I did actually pick up another bodysuit, and this, when you compare it to white, if you can see there, it's more cream. It is a ribbed knit. This is very similar to what I picked up from Primark at £5. So this one was $12.99. I got it in a medium. I'm going to try that bodysuit on with these super wide leg, these are very dramatic trousers. I did get these in a small. These were $29.99, and I feel like they'd be a really nice fit. Well, I'm hoping they're going to be a nice fit. But I love the kind of canvas cotton material that these have to them. I am 5'5", so I'm not the tallest, but even with my highest heels, I feel like they'd only just touch the floor. There's a bit of give on the, you know, stretch to them, but not too much that they're like too big for me, obviously. This bodysuit, however, it's a weird one really, because although I kind of like the look of it together, I'm not that impressed with the quality of this bodysuit. I like the look of the cut and everything, but it's very thin, so I have had to wear a bra with it. It's also not a thong bodysuit, which isn't the most practical because then you get a VPL. Okay, I'm gonna try on a different pair of trousers now. These ones are called Slouchy, and I picked these ones up in a 10. Love the colour of these, but they have got that dart at the front, so we'll see how they fit. These were only $15.99, so a good price point. I think this is fairly new in as well. I got it in a medium at $17.99. It's this really pretty broderie sleeve detail crop top. Okay, this is the next outfit. Let's start with the top, and I just think it's really pretty. It's a really nice soft fabric, and I like the fact that this part you can kind of ruche up to be quite a cropped crop top, or you can bring it down a little bit just so that you either just have a pop of midriff or no midriff at all. And it's the perfect sort of summery top for that jeans and a nice top outfit that you might want to go for. As for the jeans, again, I'm really happy. The only thing with these that I'm thinking isn't the best is for my body type. That absolutely made no sense at all. I love the jeans, they're super comfortable, loads of give to them, really high-waisted, which is what I love, but I don't know if they're the most flattering style for me personally. I feel like these kind of slouchy balloon style fit jeans are better if you're a bit more straight up and down and not much curve. They're a nice sort of turn up at the bottom whereby they almost make them a little bit cropped, and I love the colour. So overall I'm impressed. I'm going to try it on with, I've got two more tops left. This little peachy kind of nude crop top. These ones are only £3, and these I think are new in as well, so hopefully I'm going to love this, and if I do I'm going to get it in every colour. And then I've also got this kind of boxy fit white tee, which I've already got something very similar to this, but I love it and wear it a lot, so I wanted to pick up another one. It's $12.99, and I feel like all of Zara basics that are priced at $12.99, generally speaking, are good. But I'll try this one on first. Okay, this is quite cropped, this top, so just bear that in mind. It's also kind of a little bit thin. I don't think this is the best colour combo, I'm just going to say that, but overall, it's a good little basic for $3.99. I'll just throw this one over the top of this. Oh no, the neck's quite small. Hopefully I've not got any makeup on it. I was actually going to tan this morning and then let it develop all day, but I'm so glad I didn't, because if I'd have filmed this video and this try on with all these different white items, you can imagine tan would go everywhere. Okay, yay, I love this top. This honestly is one of my favorite kind of style of tops. So it's kind of got that dramatic muscle fit style without the padded shoulder. So I feel like even though they're dramatic still, I feel like they're more wearable than the padded shoulder ones. I think this actually is the perfect sort of top that I would pair with this kind of slouchy fit jeans. Throw on some little sandals and I feel like you're good to go. I might even keep this outfit on for today. So there we have it. That is everything that I picked up this time around. I do actually have a few things I'm going to be returning this time. If you are new, it would mean so much if you would stick around and subscribe. I love Zara, so if you love Zara as much as I do, you can expect a lot of hauls on this channel, especially from Zara and Zara Home as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thumbs up if you did, and I hope to see you all in my next one. Bye guys!